My name is Ahana and my project is called Jazzing Up Jordan Lake. This is Jordan Lake, a 13,900 acre freshwater ecosystem that is home to over 1,000 various species. According to the North Carolina Department of Environmental Quality, Jordan Lake has had eutrophic conditions for decades now. Eutrophication, which is caused by increased urban and agricultural runoff, is when high nutrient levels cause excessive plant and algae growth, which leads to low oxygen waters and can have several negative effects on an ecosystem's health and local biodiversity. My goal is to utilize native plants with natural root filtration systems, including Eastern Red Cedar, swamp rosemallow, and Crested Dwarf Iris, to restore the water quality of Jordan Lake. My project will improve biodiversity in my community because it will make the water quality of the lake more suitable for a variety of plants and animals. As Jordan Lake is a home to many freshwater species, it is important for the lake to be regulated in a way that supports this wildlife and maintains its biodiversity for future generations.